tummy is aching again. Fuck. Guys, I'm going to end this live, guys. I need sponsor, guys. I don't have load anymore. I don't have data left. I want to do a live later, but I don't know if I can. Look at that. Loading, loading. Okay. This phone is so strong. Just look at that. It's so broken. Like you can take uh, you can take this. Look at that. It's so broken. Like look at that. Look at that. Side by side. It's almost gonna tear off, but it's still working. Like that. It's so broken, but it's working, guys. But I need to just look at that. It's deformed. It's not straight anymore. But look at that. It's still working. That in fact, if I have money, maybe this week. If I have money this week, or maybe I don't know, I will gonna um prepare this phone. 'Cause this phone is very useful to me now, guys. This is very a useful phone because this is where I put my PayPal, all of my accounts here, Gmails, and any other important documents. I have to I have to prepare this and take care of this phone. And look at my camera here. It's broken too. It's broken. And the thing is, you see this here. That's the reason why my camera, when I am live, uh, um, it's like there's a black spot in my live because of this. I can see the camera here, so I have to repair this phone and